Meaning of forecourt.
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 Forecourt. A forecourt is an outdoor area in front of a building or entrance that is often paved and used as a driveway or for parking vehicles. It can also refer to a space in front of a railway or bus station for passengers to alight or wait for transportation. Forecourts are typically designed to enhance the appearance and functionality of a building or transportation hub, providing a safe and accessible space for people and vehicles to move around. Overall, a forecourt serves as an important entry point and first impression of a facility.